Cerebras Systems, CBRS. That is the ticker. That is the stock we're breaking down. It is flying here today, up almost 15% on some massive news related to OpenAI. And we're here to give you all the details. This is a newer company. It has just been live as of May of this year. Another one of these massive AI plays that's starting to make a big V-shaped recovery. Some big investors have big stakes. And I think it's time to take a much, much closer look now at CBRS as part of this AI trade. And this could be a diamond in the rough here today. We're going to break it all down for you guys in this video. Our last video on Micron performing well. We're trying to grow this channel similar to how I did so on my crypto side of things. We're talking all things stocks, all things AI each and every day. If you want to help us out, hit the like button, share your thoughts down below. We're adding value every single day, talking about a number of things in the market, and subscribe right now while you still can. Actually, you can always. I don't know why the hell I said that. Just subscribe down below. It helps us out tremendously. And let's get into it. Cerebras, you can see the V-shaped recovery that's on right now. Look at today on the charts, man. It is up massively, up to 250. Big green wick up. And here on the weekly now, you can see it's had some really volatile moves. This is going to be a volatile stock for a long time. I'm telling you, it's still early days, up 48% on the month. Past 3 months, though, still down. And if you zoom out, I mean, you're still not even close to these Pico tops where we were. 386 was the 52-week high. So still a ways to go to get there and reach price discovery, but all the reason to kind of look at it a little closer. So we'll get into the big news that's driving the market up today for Cerebras, rather. I mean, other stocks are doing well today too. A lot of that has to do with the macro and some of the news that came out, the ceasefire news that Trump dropped here on Monday morning, basically saying, hey, we're going to extend the ceasefire kind of deal. Markets like that provide some certainty here in the short term. We're seeing the AI trade really snap back. I mean, Micron, SanDisk, all your top names looking phenomenal. Gavin Baker, portfolio update. Gavin Baker, his public stock portfolio, and you could find Cerebras on this list. If you scroll on down, he has a pretty big stake options contract. Cerebras system call options, 700,000 contracts. So a massive, play there. CBRS from Gavin Baker. And here you go, new positions. If you look here at fully exit new positions this quarter, Cerebras, he's got over 3 million shares plus the 700,000 call contracts. And so, yeah, that was another, big play along with SpaceX for him. You look here, Cerebras is surging after they were flagged for fresh progress in its OpenAI deal with Cerebras chips set to power GPT 5.6 Sol. Leopold disclosed a big position in Q2 2026. They've added here today, just today, insane. They have added 8 billion in market cap. That is wild. They've added 8 billion in market cap just today. The company itself sitting at around 60 billion, just shy of 60 billion here today. And here's the big news. Here's the details on everything you need to know about it. So Cerebras now powers ultra-fast, a new service tier in OpenAI's API that runs GPT 5.6 at up to 750 output tokens per second. This creates an entirely new point on the speed intelligence frontier. Enterprises can now build with frontier intelligence at real-time speeds, coding agents that iterate alongside developers, research systems that analyze and synthesize information in seconds, enterprise agents that reason, act, and respond without making users wait. When intelligence moves as quickly, it changes the products you can create and the experiences you can deliver. GPT 5.6 ultra-fast is beginning with a limited API preview. Capacity is expected to grow over time. Proud of Cerebras and OpenAI teams for bringing this to life. So there's a kind of an idea of what it looks like. Ultra-fast is up to 14x faster than GPT 5.6 Sol standard, which is wild. They've got Sol Standard, Sol Priority, and then Sol Ultra Fast. So that is what's behind this big move here today from Cerebras. And we're going to be watching this stock. We're putting it on the watch list officially and looking now to perhaps make some plays. So We'll be all over this, as we always are with this AI trade, and we'll continue to kind of uncover what's going on in the markets in the world of AI, robotics, space, defense, everything new technology. That's what we cover right here on this channel. And so make sure you guys do subscribe. Investing with Zach right now. And we'll see you guys in the next one.